Being a part of COA has advanced my coaching business tenfold. Prior to working with Ed and his team, my revenue was sporadic and maxed at $2,000 per month on a good month. I felt overwhelmed and confused on how to attract clients. I had massive fear around implementing technology and marketing. This month, I grossed over $7,000 in sales by implementing Ed's method. Over the last 6 months, I've leveled up my skills in running Facebook ads and properly tracking the results. I've created an effective lead magnet and funnel that speaks to my ideal client. My mind is blown by my achievements and my confidence in implementing technology has soared. The biggest change is how I show up in sales calls. I'm more authentic and confident and can close anyone who is the right fit for my program. That right there is gold. If you're thinking about working with Ed, just jump in now. You'll never be the same again.